Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are discussing about the Lewis dot structure, which is most important one in not only IGA, CSE exams but also in MD gate. Nowadays the students have little bit difficulty and the perplexity of solving and on Lewis dot structures. So today we are discussing about this topic. Very easily you can crack any exams. Now we start with our first structure, which is H2. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, but it is not completing its duplet. So how we will solve it? Hydrogen dot plus 1 dot. This dot representing its atomic number. So we will say that hydrogen with hydrogen. Now we have completed the structure of hydrogen, and this hydrogen is not only sharing but also taking another electron from another hydrogen, and both are completing its duplet. Now this is a single bond. After it we will say that oxygen O2. We are drawing the structure of oxygen. How? Oxygen atomic number is 8 minus 2. Why subtract the 2 electron? Because its 2 electrons are completed in its duplet. Now the required 6 electrons. So how we will do? 6 multiplied 2. Why 2? Because oxygen is 2 times 2 multiplied this one is 12 electrons. We have to balance the 12 electrons in a structure. How? Oxygen double bonding another oxygen. Now this single line representing a 2 electrons, 1 2 3 4. How many we require? We have 12. We have to fix 12 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now this oxygen has completed its octet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now this oxygen has completed its octet. Now we will move to this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now this oxygen has also completed its octet. Now we will see the 12 electrons are balanced or fixed in a structure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now we fix the 12 electrons and drawn in a structure simply. This is a double bond, single bond, double bond. Now we will move to triple bond. Triple bond, oxygen. Oxygen has an atomic number 7, but its duplet is complete. Now required one is 5. 5 multiplied 2, it means we have to fix 10 electrons in a structure. Now we will draw the triple bond structure. 1 2 3. Nitrogen, every line representing a 2 electrons. It means 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 electrons are between and sharing between 2 nitrogens. Now 1 and 2, 6 7 and 8. This hydrogen has completed its octet. Now so also this one, 6 7 and 8. Now this oxygen and nitrogen has also completed its octet. Now we will see 6 7 8 9 10. It means 10 electrons are fixed in a structure. After it we will see another one, which is a formula CO2. Now here we will see how we will fix the structure. Now carbon has a 4 electron we have to fix, and oxygen, we know the valency is 6 multiplied 2. It means 12 plus 4, it is 16. We have to fix the 16. We have to fix 16 electrons. Now carbon, oxygen, double bond with oxygen. We know that the oxygen has double bond. If it is possible, we will fix the double bond. If it is not, then we will make a single bond with the oxygen. Now we will see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The carbon's octet is completed, but oxygen is until has only a 4 electrons. It need 4 more electrons to complete its octet. Now another oxygen, 1 2 3 and 4. Now we will see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This oxygen has completed this octet. 8 and 8. The 16 electrons are balanced and fixed in the structure. Now we'll move on another one, which is NH2OH. NH2OH. Now we know that nitrogen has 5 electrons and 2 electrons of hydrogen and 6 electrons of oxygen plus 1 hydrogen. How many electrons it will be? 5 plus 2 7, 7 and 13 and 1 14. We have to fix 14 electrons. How we will balance out? Now in the central we will get the nitrogen, and on the top we have 1 hydrogen, in another side we have another hydrogen, and another side we have oxygen, and oxygen has a hydrogen. This is a simple structure which we have draw. Now we will balance the electron and fix it whatever that requires. Now 1 2 3 4 hydrogen says octet duplet is completed. 1 2 3 4 is 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. But this nitrogen is until have not completed its octet. So what we will do, we will give the 2 electrons as a lone pair in the center of nitrogens. Now nitrogen has fixed and completed its octet. Now we will see that the 14 electrons are being completed. After it we have another one structure which is NH3. Now NH3, this one is the one of the simple structure which we will draw. Nitrogen, as you know that nitrogen has a 5 electrons plus 3 electrons of hydrogen. We will plus them, add them, is 8 electrons. Now nitrogen, again hydrogen, second hydrogen, and third hydrogen. This one is one of the easiest structure which we will have drawn. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, but we have to fix 8 electrons, so then 2 lone electrons in center as a lone pair. Now we will see that the 8 electrons are fixed and hydrogen, and so also the nitrogen has completed its duplet and octet. Another one which we are going to draw is that one is H2S. H2S. Hydrogen has 2 electrons just because of it. One atomic, its atomic number is 1 and 2, plus sulfur is 6, so it is 8. So how we will draw? Sulfur in the center, atom, hydrogen and hydrogen. Now 1 2 3 4 are balanced, so 1 2 3 and 4. Now this one was a required structure of our Lewis dot structure which we did. Now we are just moving on our another structure which is CH3Cl. CH3Cl. We know this for carbon needs 4 electrons, hydrogen is 3 times, then 3 is atomic number is 1, but is 3. 1 multiplied to 3 is 3, plus the atomic number of chlorine is 17, but it is completing is octet and 1 duplet, that's why we will subtract 10, then it will be 7. So the 7 will be required one to balance. So our electrons which we need to balance are 14. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. Now we will draw the structure. First of all we will put the carbon in the center atom, then we will draw hydrogen, and again one more hydrogen, and one more hydrogen. Now we have given 1 2 3 hydrogens as per the required one, and after it we will put chlorine, say over here. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 carbon and hydrogen has completed its duplet and octet. But what about the chlorine until has a 2 electrons, because single line is representing a 2 electrons. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we have completed the octet of chlorine. Now see our electrons: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14, and our electrons are balanced. For next topic, please subscribe and comments what topic you want to see or discuss in for exams in any subjects. Inshallah, we will see with another topic of another subject. Or Allah Hafiz.